And so you might as well just go to a sit-down restaurant at that point. But again, you're only getting one meal, whereas, 40 bucks with Imperfect Foods could be an entire week's groceries if you plan it perfectly. Or, almost, I think 3 meals with HelloFresh is like $50 or $60. So, it's definitely a better way to do it. So one of the ways that you can make sure that you're staying on a budget, even if you are going to the grocery store, is create a weekly meal plan or even a monthly meal plan. Just sit down and figure out, what you want to eat, what's quick and easy for you to make, and go from there. Make a shopping list specifically to those ingredients, and make a really big effort when you're at the store to avoid the candy aisles, the chips aisles, stuff like that. You can still get those kind of snacky foods if you want them, but understand that, if you're looking at quality food for good money, that's just not going to be it. But at the same time, you don't want to deny yourself too many of the snack stuff because that'll lead to, late night ordering and binging.